Hello guys and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to set up a Chrome profile for work and personal needs. So if you want to separate both, right, have work stuff in one profile and personal stuff in the other, good idea, that's pretty sensible. You can do this quite easily. So in order to do that, navigate with your mouse to the upper right corner of the screen right here, where as you can see I have my profile picture. Click on it and then choose Add Chrome Profile. So this is the one we need. So just click on this. And in here, guys, you can just go ahead and sign in into your Chrome account, Google account, right? Just choose sign in, provide your email, password, pass the two-factor authentication, and then log in. And then if you want to switch, right, when you add this new profile, if you want to switch, you just go here and then you just choose another. So you can see I have a Brian, this is my working account. You just choose it and then switch to it instantly, right? And you can switch between them. You can also open both windows, right? Maybe have two monitors and have them open, simultaneously at the same time. So that's pretty much it. Very easily done. Enjoy the video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.